For R&B, rock, medyo elevated talaga yan, no? If you wanna go classical or musical theater, dapat, more space.
Pero mas may power yan.
Kasi malaking space. Mas malaking resonator mo, bukas talaga siya. Now, if you wanna go pop naman, medyo neutral. Pwede mo laruin yun. Like for example, if you do classical singing, you do what? Mataas, 70-80% yon, no? If you go pop, siguro mga 40 to 50% yon. If you use your genre R&B, baka mga 20 to 30%. Ang bottom line is dapat may yon ka talaga. Kasi pag kakanta ka lagi ng nasa mataas ang larynx mo, lampas siya sa healthy levels, you're gonna strain the voice. Worse is, pipiyo ka talaga. So since you're not enforcing intrinsic tension, the outer muscles are tightened.
Yun yung sa akin.
Yun yung sa'yo. So it's trying to create that tension outside of the proper tension, kaya extrinsic tension is unhealthy. So pag ganun ka ng ganun, over the years, no, you're gonna damage the voice talaga.
Yun din kaya culprit, kaya wala yung falsetto ko. That muscle.
Pwede.
Yes.
Pero since tumigas na yung outer muscles mo dito, is too tight na. That's still curable through training, no? Pero again, muscles are really hard to teach, no? So it takes repetition, correct repetition of exercises, no?